Today we're going to introduce multiplication. Multiplication is the idea of repeated addition. Like addition, multiplication has a sign that you use. So for addition, we have this plus sign here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. While multiplication, we use this symbol. It looks like an X. And this would be equal to 1. Now for multiplication, you could also use a dot. Or, as I'll explain later, you could also use parentheses. These are all equivalent. Here we have 4 bunches of bananas. Each bunch appears to have 3 bananas. So we'd count 3 for the first one, 3 for the second one, 3 for the third one, and 3 for the fourth bunch. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches of bananas. And thus we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 3, which is equal to 12. So you can say that we have 3 bananas 4 times, which is equal to 12. This is the idea of multiplication. You could also say 3 bananas multiplied by 4 bunches, if that makes it easier to understand. You have 3 bananas, and there's 4 bunches, so it'd be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, as I said earlier. When you're multiplying, like 3 times 4, it doesn't matter where you use parentheses. You could use parentheses here, you could use parentheses here, or you could use parentheses on both. And you'd get the same value because when multiplying, parentheses don't affect the outcome of the value. Another important thing to note is that for multiplication, you don't even need to write the multiplication sign. You could just say 3 in parentheses 4, and that'd be 12 as well. This is the same as this. You put the parentheses around the 4, which is the same as this. And even this. As you might notice, it doesn't matter which way you orientate the numbers or where you put the parentheses. Either way, the answer will be the same. Here we have 3 poorly drawn tissue boxes. Each box holds 210 tissues. How many total tissues? Well, what we could do is we could add it up like normally, which would be 210 plus 210 plus 210, which is equal to 630. Or what we could do is we could say 210 tissues multiplied by 3 is equal to 630. That'd be our answer.